Ever wondered how to create an Instagram profile on your mobile? It's more than just a social media account. It's a portal to a global community, a platform for self-expression, and a key to unlocking endless opportunities. Well, wonder no more, because today we're going to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to download the Instagram app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram in the search bar. Click on Install to download and install the app. With the app installed, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now, it's time to create your account. First things first, tap open the Instagram app on your mobile screen. Spot the sign up button, give it a click. It will ask for some information. You can use either your email or phone number, whichever you prefer. Now, onto the password. Make it a strong one, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Remember, your password is like your toothbrush. Never share it and change it every couple of months. Once you've entered your information, you're ready to personalize your profile. With your account created, it's time to make it your own. Start by adding a profile picture, for example, a photo of Lord Krishna, if you're Krishna Thakur. Next, set a unique username, such as Krishna Thakur. It's important that it's unique to you and easy for others to recognize. Finally, add a bio that tells people a little about you or your interests. For Krishna, it could be Krishna's profile. With your profile set up and personalized, you're ready to start exploring Instagram. And there you have it, your very own Instagram profile. In just a few easy steps, we've downloaded the app, created your account, and personalized the profile. Now, the world of Instagram is at your fingertips. Enjoy your new Instagram journey.